Hello everyone, welcome to another ChatGPT-4 video. Today I will show you how to create a 3D game with ChatGPT-4. Now what I'm about to show you is basically going to be a tweet of a person that created a 3D game in ChatGPT-4. You can do this yourselves as well, so let's get started. So shout out to Javi Lopez or Javi Lopez. I hope I didn't butcher your name. But this is basically how you can create a basic 3D game prototype like Doom using a GPT-4. Now keep in mind, as you can see, to lower your expectations, right? What we're going to create is a super basic prototype, as you can see right here. So as you can see, first, Javi actually asked ChatGPT to create a game in the style of Doom. If you prefer a concise request, right, you can ask it to refrain from providing explanations or adding comments, right? But as you can see, basically this is the prompt that Javi made for ChatGPT-4, right? And basically this is what he got, right? So you can copy and paste the source code here in an online HTML. So basically he pasted the source code in W3 schools here, and here you will basically get the source code, you basically can run a source code, right? Then once you run a source code, this is what you will get, right? Now, as you can see, to have it in 3D, we just have to ask nicely to ChatGPT. This is the prompt that he gave, right? So that's very cool. Now do it in a view, it's from the point of view of a character in 3D. And as you can see, basically this was the first approach, right? It will be something like this, right? Which is not ideal, right? So this is because he only created a basic empty square room where the number ones represent the walls, right? To add new walls or modify the layout of the room, you will need to simply change some of the ones to zeros, as you can see right here. So once you do that, as you can see here, you will be able to go and you will be able to go through the walls, as you can see. Now if you want to obviously enhance the game's visual appeal, right, you can ask ChatGPT to add color walls, stuff like that to the wall, right, as you can see. And this is pretty much the code that ChatGPT basically summoned, right? And as you can see, it's impressive how GPT was able to use quite advanced mathematical algorithms to create this. As you can see right here, we can see if you want a better explanation, you can always ask GPT-4 alternatively if this right here is available, right? As you can see, this source code seems to be related to a simple raycasting engine used for rendering a 3D scene, as you can see right here. So that's pretty much it, right? This is a simple tutorial on how you can create a 3D game. I mean, again, shout out to Javi from, Javi Lopez from Twitter. He made this happen. It's really amazing what you can do with ChatGPT-4, and it will be amazing what you will be able to do in the next upcoming years with ChatGPT. So if you have any questions, or maybe if you created a game already with ChatGPT, or not copy, but comment down below and subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you in the next video.